there's something in here. There is some nail polish, and there's a brush that you have to open, and this. But I pushed on too hard, so I don't need that one. So we got this new one, and we got bracelet.
Show them how you brush it.
Wow.
So I'm going to have this brush. So first you have to open it up like this, and you have to push it like this, and then you have to brush your hair,
Wow.
and then you can look in the mirror, and then you push it back down.
Brush your hair a little bit more. Let's see how nice you can make your hair look. Wow. That is pretty.
And then you have to push it down really hard to do it like that, and then you have to close it, and that's how you do it.
That's pretty. I like your bracelets too. They have nice colors on them.
And there's one that I really like. There's a baby unicorn.
You still have this tattoo, huh?
Yeah, I'm taking it off tomorrow.
Little by little. Do you have the other thing? What was that? The ice cream sandwich or something you had? No?
It's over here. We opened it. It's right